The power of Frank compels you. The power of Frank compels you. The power of Frank compels you. Welcome, sinners. Today we will talk about sin. Sinners are those who commit acts that violate moral rules. A sin is an act that violates a known moral rule in a religion. Sin can refer not only to physical actions taken, but also to thoughts and internalized thoughts and feelings. But according to who?
I understand.
Sin or sinning is a man-made term made up by mankind to try to prevent the wrongdoing of your fellow man. In other words, it doesn't exist. Someone got fucked over and said, "Thou shalt not steal," because someone stole from them. Someone said, "Thou shalt honor thy mother and father," because they had a fucking bratty kid. Someone said, "Thou shalt not covet thy neighbor's wife," because someone fucked his wife, etc., etc., etc. You know where I'm going with this. In other words, there is no such thing as sin. So sin on, my fellow sinners, and Frank be with you, and also with you.
Studio.